So homework 8.0 level 1, question number 1, graph y equals x minus 2. So you're going to compare this with the equation mx plus b, where m is 1, so the slope is 1, y-intercept is 0, negative 2. Now you're going to plot the 0, negative 2, which is a y-intercept, and the slope is 1 over 1, rise over run. So go up 1 over 1, so that's going to be this point, this one, up 1 over 1, up 1 over 1, and same thing, connect these points to get the line graph. So for number 2, the slope is negative 2 over 1, y-intercept is 0, 3. Starting from 0, 3, go down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, down 2 over 1, or up 2 over 1 on the left side. So it's going to be a falling line from left to right because the slope is negative. Number 3, 4 is the slope. 0, 0 is your center where you start. You go up 4 over 1, down 4 over 1, and you got the line that is a rising line from left to right. So for number 4, you're going to evaluate when x equals to this function. So you're going to substitute the 2 for x in this x value. So this is the example hint, and you're going to use the PEMDAS. So means that do the exponent first in multiplication, then add or subtract from left to right. So your answer is 10. Similarly, exponent first, then multiplication, add from left to right. You're going to get 5 as your answer. So for number 6, you're going to plug it in negative 3 here. So it's going to be negative 3 squared plus negative 3 plus 3. So this negative stay outside. Negative 3 squared is 9. And this is negative 3 plus 3. Negative 3 and negative 9 would be negative 12. Plus 3 is negative 9 is your answer. 3 times negative 3 squared. Negative 3 squared is positive 9. And this is negative 15 plus 2. 27 minus 15 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. And for 8, we're going to plug it in x as negative 3. So negative 3 squared is 9. Plus 12 minus 15. Always start addition or subtraction from left to right. So you got 21 minus 15, that is 6.